Hello, in this video, we'll look at how to identify the main idea. The main idea of a passage is that idea which is supported by or opposed by arguments in the passage. This is the strategy we recommend to help you reach the main idea. First, look for the topic. What is the passage about? This will not be the main idea, but it will give you a focus point. Then, look for the arguments and what they are supporting. This will give you the approach being taken with the topic. The main idea can either be explicitly stated or be inferred by reading between the lines. When the main idea is explicitly stated, it will usually be found in the first paragraph or the first sentence. Reading the first and last paragraphs can help you find the main idea. When the main idea is implicitly stated, sift through background information and mark the main idea. Summarizing each paragraph will give you the information needed to reach the main idea. Answer the following questions to help you. Who is the passage about? What is being discussed? Where is the place being discussed? When did the events take place? Why? What is the reason behind what is being discussed? And how? The methodology, instruction, theory being discussed. We'll understand this better through a few examples. The following appeared in the CLAT 2020 paper. Read the debate between Harry and Potter and identify the main issue. Interesting, right? Let's look into the passage. Harry. Within democracies, voters are entitled to know the downside to a candidate, and the other side is obviously well placed to voice it. To stifle one's ability to voice negative things about a candidate would be to obstruct democracy and limit free speech. Potter. Negative advertisements produce the politics of the personal, since an easiest advert is an attack advert, which focuses on the personality or the personal qualities of one's opponent. A negative advertisement is one that focuses upon a rival product, in this case, a rival election candidate or party, in order to point its flaws and to persuade the public to not vote for it. Not our usual Harry Potter conversation, but let's look at the options. A. Whether negative advertisement strengthens democratic governance. B. Whether the practice of negative advertisements is good for democracy and politics. C. Whether negative advertising needs to be banned. And D. Whether negative advertising produces the politics of the personal. What is the rationale involved here? The two dialogues are to be compared to figure out what they argue for or against. The commonality